Hi everyone! So, in this video I will apply the livery on the Citation M2. I've chosen this livery with white and blue. I think this is the official Citation M2 livery. It looks really nice. And by the way guys, thank you so much for the 500k subscribers on YouTube. Honestly, without you I wouldn't be here making videos as a full-time job. So, thank you so much for that. And also I made a new t-shirt. This t-shirt is actually inspired by you guys. You made me aware of me always saying so cool, so nice, so amazing. And some of you actually requested that on a t-shirt, so I made it happen, and this new design is now available. You can check the store under this video, and if you buy this t-shirt you will be also supporting this channel. So thank you so much for that, and let's get to work. Alright, I just finished the big sections of the fuselage, and look at this. It's so beautiful. I mean, vinyl, I love working with vinyl. It's so clean and you get an amazing results. Of course, working with vinyl is not an easy thing, but if you do it right, you get amazing results like this one here. And this is here just a test piece of chrome. There will be a frame around the cockpit windows, just like the full scale Citation. There is a chrome frame around them. It looks so good, so I will do that on my Citation. And so now I'll continue with the rest. These are, I would say, the most complicated: engine nacelles and the stabilizer. There are some lines and cuts in here, and I already started here. It looks good as well, and I will do the right one just like that. I wish that I could cover that with chrome, but honestly it never worked. This chrome always peels, and so I'm not going to add chrome in here. This color is also nice and shiny. I will do the second one exactly the same and see how it goes. This video is sponsored by PCBWay. PCBWay is a full-feature custom PCB prototype service with 24 hours express fabrication. They offer instant quote, rapid prototyping, PCB assembly, and more. Check out their flexible PCBs with multiple thicknesses, plus CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, 3D printing, and injection molding. Go to PCBWay.com to learn more. Alright, it's finished and it looks stunning. So now I will charge up some batteries and take it to the airfield, fully assemble it and do some testing. The weather outside is so nice. I will drive fast, try the brakes and all these things, and prepare it for the maiden flight, hopefully next week. So, wish me luck, and I will see you in 1 week at the maiden flight. Bye bye.